All right, now live streaming. All right, here we go. Live on YouTube. Live. Let's make sure my mic is in the right place. Let's get some good audio up in here. Make sure that my mic. All right, here we go. We're going to go ahead and dive into our watch list this morning. We are going to cover news, what the best stocks to watch. Again, I was watching TBLT. We're deleting that off the watch list because they got a private placement. So that massive drop from $7.76 all the way down to $5.55. So we're not watching TBLT. You can see here that it absolutely just dumped on off. We also have, looks like we do have some VTVT. Today's volume is less than a million. It's around average. So I'm not going to be trading that right now. My top stocks on my watch list are actually REVB. So I like REVB possibly. We've been moving up, trading higher for the company announced the data of its phase 1B clear clinical study of its REVTX99B met primary endpoint. So that's pretty good. Now we are above VWAP. We possibly could break over these previous highs at 188, possibly break over 2, and then eventually to 250 and 280 possibly. So I am watching that for REVB. We have GOVX. I'm looking for GOVX to actually break 128. Break 128, go up to 150, possibly even $2 here on GOVX. Thank you guys for stopping in, everybody. Oh, sorry for the smoke. I have an incident because my dog got sprayed by a skunk. Shouldn't be any more smoke. All right, here we go, guys. Thank you, guys. We have 87 people in here. Everyone smash that like button. Sorry, guys, I keep hitting my mic. With GOVX, you know, I'm not the first monkeypox case confirmed in Japan. They're always going to have some other new fear that everybody needs to constantly worry about. That's exactly what the government, the New World Order, people don't think about it. That's exactly what they want you to do. They want you to fear. They want you to be scared. They want you to play right into their hands. They want you to rely on the government. Eventually, with cryptocurrency, when cryptocurrency gets regulated and cryptocurrency is mainstream, I have no doubt in my mind that most of the people that don't know how to use cryptocurrency and are not self-sovereign are going to be forced to do what the government says. They're just like they are now when you're with the bank. You are forced to comply to the bank's rules. You are forced to comply to the government's rules. It's just going to get worse and worse because everyone's so scared of monkeypox. Oh no, because they can make a deadly disease and then it shuts down everything. Oh no, now where's the food supply? Oh, I forgot. Bill Gates owns the most land in the US. Most farmland. Oh, nope, now the government controls the food supply. I don't understand where you guys see this going. The only way to really, in my opinion, to save like the Western world is to overthrow our government. Honestly. And that's what they don't want. That's what they don't want. And by overthrowing, I don't mean we're storming the Capitol with guns. By overthrowing, I mean like we just don't take their bullshit anymore. All right, we got GOVX with a new high at 128, pulling back, now holding VWAP. I do like GOVX. First case confirmed. GOVX Labs trading higher after the World Health Organization declared monkeypox a public health emergency of global concern. Oh, man. Wasn't COVID-19. We're going to constantly have these kind of, I don't know. It's just frustrating. Morning QQQ predictions. Let's look at QQQ. Why not? All right. So we got, that's J. First of all, on the daily chart, we are pretty overextended. I do think we need to pull back. I do think we're going to have another day to the downside. Now, if we actually jump over to the 15-minute here, we actually had to pull back to the 200 SMA. I do think we're going to see this QQQ break a trend line to the downside. If we see it break this trend line here, again, for people who are on YouTube, see it break this trend line, I think we're going to see it come down again to 297.50. And that's also if we break 300. Break 300, we're coming down at least another $2.50. And we could easily come down a little bit more. So that's what I'm watching from the Qs. I mean, it's still pretty early to be like, oh, the Qs are bearish, Qs are bullish. Again, I'm a trader. I take opportunity. I don't try to anticipate. I take what I see in front of me. So at the moment, I do like REVB. It is moving up. We are getting above VWAP with a lot of volume. Look at that volume. That's beautiful. Beautiful amount of volume. I want to see decreasing volume with a nice cup and handle here. It's a little bit too erratic, I would say. It's a little bit too spontaneous for me to actually want to take this trade because of just how fast it is. I'm on the 1-minute candle, so I definitely want to just play it patient here. On the 15-minute, we have higher volume on the doji candle, so I do want to just play it patient, just like not trade and wait for the best opportunity because we still have 17 minutes until market open. Oh, excuse me. 13 minutes until market open, so we have plenty of time. Let's go ahead and cover VS. What's going on with VS? We can see that we actually are above the 50 SMA now. The 50 SMA is sitting at 53 cents, so we could come back and retest that before possibly making a move higher. What's going on? Excuse me. All right, so Bioscience trading higher by 115 cents. No, I don't really see any news. I don't really see any news on VS. So I'm moving this to the bottom of my watch list. We have KAVL. Brand shares are trading higher after the company announced the launch of PMI's self-conduct contained e-vapor product. So that's pretty good. I do like that. I do like REVB, GOVX, KEVL, and Phase. Guys, if you would like these watch lists, you can either come over to the YouTube or come over to the Twitter. Both links in my bio. Here we go. Let's get KVL and GOVX and REVB. We also got Phase and VS. All right, so there's the watch list. I am watching KVL right now at the moment. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you guys for the likes. Let's get to 1,000 likes. I know we can. Everyone start smashing that like button. With pins, what's going on with pins? Not really too sure. What a gap down though. Holy cow. We're just gonna play it patiently, like geez. And then just wait patiently. Excuse me. I like the SPY. I like looking at the SPY. We are rounding off. I do think we're gonna see the SPY possibly come down a little bit more. I mean, we are gapping up, but we do have to come back down and touch this level just to retest, or we could continue to push. I mean, continue to push. We did touch that $400 level. We do see it start to round off and continue. We're going to see this start to drop. Now, Quant is dropping too. Quant is dropping too, but there's no volume, so I want to just play it safe. Since there's no volume, I want to just play it safe. I want to fuck around with it. I'm looking to short Quant, looking for it to come down a little bit more, but we're not seeing the volume on the explosive move when we break this area. So I definitely want to play it patient here. Now let's go over to the chat room. All right, I don't see it. Nick news comes out. Nobody's seen it come in. Lost 25% in the snap of a finger. TBL, gotta love the stock market. Man, Someone in chat got stuck in TBLT. Look at this. Someone lost 25% super quick. I mean, that was a 35. Oh yeah, super quick. He just probably thought that it was gonna bounce. Never bounced. Never bounced. So that's really unfortunate. Hopefully he'll come back stronger and better. I do like REVB, and there's my reasoning right there. Like, yes, the cup and handle did work, but there's not anything crazy. I mean, we wouldn't see this thing pump up all the way up to 172. We are seeing this now start to fade and fall. Hopefully, if it breaks this 145, I mean, who knows? So, again, I'm just sitting on my hands waiting for the best opportunity. Excuse me. Again, we have 8 minutes left until market open. We are going to really see what we can do here. Thank you guys for the follow. Like, guys, everyone smash that like button. Let's get to 100 likes. I know we can. Just Josh talk. I think my top stock out of the gate is going to be KAVL. Although I don't like their news about the e-vapor product just because it's not good. But I do like that we pull it up and we are pulling back. But we're not like explosively pulling back. We have a nice explosive move up with a slow pull back. Tilo announced a 20 million private placement priced at a premium to market under NASDAQ rules, $5 a share. Yes. Unfortunate TBLT absolutely dumped off there. Someone in chat lost 25% on it in the snap of a finger. Gotta love the stock market. Yes, you do. Unfortunate, Nick, but there's no way you could have seen that. And that's why I like to be in and out of trades. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. Because of this unforeseen variables that happens. Like, this went from $7.80 to $5.50. Like, what? It's crazy. What's a good buy today? No idea what's a good buy today. It's all about whatever your strategy says to buy. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know. I'm not going to tell you what to buy. I'm only going to buy what I think is a good buy. You should not copy my trades. Copy or only trade your strategy. But there's a couple stocks that I like watching. I like REVB, I like GOVX, I like KAVL, FAZE, and and VS. So you can get that watchlist on my Twitter. Come over to YouTube. But don't just ask people on TikTok what to buy today. That is not how you're supposed to trade. That is not how you're going to make money. You're going to lose money if you trade like that. All right, guys, before the market opens, let's go ahead and say our trading rules and just ideologies. You got to remember that you are consistent. You got to believe you're consistent. You got to know you're consistent. I am consistent. Everything is random, just like TBLT. TBLT. You never know this is going to happen. There was no shot that you knew that this was going to happen. Never risk more than 3% because everything is random. You need to have a stop loss because it is random. You have no idea what's going to happen. Cash is a position. Always use a hard stop in place. Always have 3 reasons to jump into every single trade. Have consistent position sizing with your winners and your losers so that the statistics actually work out. I don't have my calculator. Trading is a business. Take every trade seriously and in line with your strategy because it's going in your logbook, and only trade strong trends. All right, guys, we have 3 minutes left. I'm going to go get my calculator. I'll be right back. All right, there we go. We're back. Got my calculator, and we are all set, ready to rock and roll. We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Let's go ahead and see if our trading... Yeah, so there's really, I mean, we also have phase that could possibly break with the downtrend, but I'm gonna just let that be. I'll catch phase if it does start to move, and I'll start to look for it. But I think right now my top stock to watch is KAVL. Okay, we have some more stocks. We have CMRX, not a huge fan. We also have VTVT, not a huge fan. We also have IEA, not a huge fan. ZY, not a fan. I'm sticking with my watch list. We have 5 stocks on our watch list. We have a minute left. Let's see what happens here. GOVX, KVL. I like GOVX a lot. GOVX looks very good on the 5-minute or the 15-minute. So let's just play it patiently and see what happens. Old school calculator with machine in front of you. Classic. I like it. Yeah, I mean, hey, I like it as well. I mean, this is the calculator my mom used a long time ago when she went to Texas University, and it's from Texas, so I've just been using it. Plus, it has bigger buttons, and I like the bigger buttons. All right, we have VS. Here we go. Guys, we have 14 seconds left. Again, you don't have to trade. Some days, right now, I don't see anything I like. Right now, if the market stays the same, I'm not going to be trading today. Trading is boring. Trading is risky. You have no idea whether you're going to win or lose on any given trade. You just know that you're following your strategy. You're going to stick to a plan, stick to your risk management, and you will eventually come on top of the course of a couple trades. And we are live. Here we go. Here we go. I got to go ahead and get my Thinkorswim turned up. There it is. Hopefully it works. We are live. We can see REVB is already starting to break out here. So let's see what happened. We have a high at 172, 188. I do really like this. Gonna get our times and sales up. Oh, there it is. It's very choppy right now. Very choppy on REVB. REVB. We also have phase, which I also thought was pretty going to. I can't talk right now. I think phase has room up to 114. Oh, he's looking at SIGA. What's going on with SIGA? I'm not a huge fan. He's buying it on SIGA, dude. That's hey, good for you, man. I don't have that. He's at that 1390. I don't see his position. We don't see this bounce. He's gonna have to cut it. If he doesn't bounce, he's gonna have to cut it. I think my top stock is Phase probably right now. SIGA, he's looking at damn. He's kind of killing it low key, but he better start taking some profit. There it is. Good stuff, Josh. Good stuff. All right, guys, we have GOVX pulling back. I think we're gonna see Phase start to. I do like REVB and guys. Nothing looks good. Nothing. I don't like it. Just nothing's looking good. We have REVB. If anything, I think we're going to see KAVL start to break up. Oh, there's REVB pumping up. Let's see a break over 172, and then 188 is the next target. Well, guys, right now we are. All right, here we go. Halt levels at 177. Halt levels at 177. We have a big buyer at 170. Big buyer at 170. He's starting to get taken out, 170. He's starting to get taken out. Watch for the drop down below. Let's see a bigger pullback. And then I squeeze over 180, and then that squeeze up to $2 into the halt. If I'm looking to take this, I'm looking for really only about, if I can catch 20 cents, that would be ideal. 20 cents would be amazing. I mean, obviously my goal is only going to be 10 to 15 cents, but if I can catch 20 cents per share, that would be absolutely wonderful. Because at the moment, I'm not seeing anything else except on REVB, and it's going to rip up and break without me, unfortunately, because maybe not. I want to see a better pullback, and I want to see a squeeze over that area. Squeeze up to 189. Over 189, I do think we're going to see a lot of sellers, so I definitely gotta get out quick. I'm not looking to hold this. And there it is, ripped up. Watch for it to make sure that it doesn't start to pull back. And there's the pullback. It looks like it's going to be done for the day. I don't know about the day actually, but done for this moment. REVB is very overextended. We do need a pullback. Let's see. I mean, GOVX. I do like GOVX. Possibly looking for this nice squeeze here. Possibly looking for a nice squeeze up to 128. I really like GOVX for some reason. GOVX just looked good. GOVX just looks good. REVB is too overextended to the upside. I mean, we are up, we are high. But I'm not going to touch it. I'm looking at GOVX, possibly. I want to see a nice false move down below VWAP here, and then see a nice squeeze up to 128. SIGA. Man, what a false. I mean, I don't even know, just a move. It's like this market is so shitty. It's fine. I mean, I haven't taken any trade, but this market is so shitty. We see the hull levels at 186 now. I mean, if we really see this start to bounce and go up to 16, we go. That's $60 there. I do like I do like SIGA. Phase halted to the downside. RDBX halted. We do need some volume to decrease here. Did RDBX halt? RDBX, yes, halted to the upside. What's going on? RDBX shares circuit breaker halt to the upside. RDBX was halted at 9:35.47. We're being live at 9:40.47. All right, so we are currently here. I don't think we have major resistance until of $5. All right, there we go. So I like SIGA more than I like RDBX. And it's popping right now, but let's see a little bit better action. Let's see this start to flip and start to break over VWAP. Yeah, I want it to calm down a little bit too. That's a good word for it. For SIGA. Minute 169. Let's see some more volume. Pop in. If we see some more volume, start to squeeze. Let's see the squeeze over VWAP. Just jumped in with 60 at 1470. 1473. I can risk 50 cents here. This flips bearish. I might have to get out of this. I just sold half for my I have to sell there. I don't trust it. I didn't trust it, guys. Whole lot of rug pulls. Was able to take like $9 out of it, but I did not trust it. Break over the high and pulled back. I was able to get out with so was able to, I mean, this could still rip and run. I'm not going to jump in on it, but I was able to jump or get some money and not be bearish. So, or not be bearish, not be red on the day. So I'm glad I was able to it. Again, I didn't see that pressure, that buying pressure come in. Was able to sell for a small win. It still could come in, but I'm not looking to trade the chop. I only trade the volume. I only trade the spike. Looks like this market's just not it right now. It's just unfortunate. So here's the pullback. Let's look on REVB. Pullback. RDBX. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Did it halt again? No, it didn't, but it unhalted, and it is pulling back, though, so I do like that. I would be looking to take around 100 shares here, or 200 shares, excuse me. Let's see it pull back just a little bit more. I might have missed that entry. I'm gonna go in with 100 shares at 416. Going at 416. Let's see this start to bounce. I just been taking it for anticipation. Looking to scale in with the rest. This is very risky. Starting to get some action. Had to sell some there. Just taking 10 cents off of it just because it wasn't looking good. Looking to catch another small move. I mean, still could easily continue to squeeze, but I'm not looking to take it. Let's see it pull back just a little and then break 440. Halt levels 460. GeoVX showing strength at this moment. GeoVX is showing strength. Holy shit. So you pull back to 112. Man, I didn't actually jump into that dip buy there. Unfortunate, but just waiting patiently. Waiting for that pullback. My number one is a GOVX. I don't want to see it break 126, 128, excuse me. Very light volume. Let's not see that big pop. Thank you guys for the likes. GOVX. I'm looking for a break over 126 and then a squeeze up to 150. Come on, let's see a pullback. Let's be a little bit more patient here. This market's just not it. Market's not it. We got to see a bounce on GOVX here. We have to see a bounce. We have 1 minute left on GOVX. I don't think it's going to be a bounce. I mean, it could, but like we have a really strong upper wick. Oh, there it's starting to get some action. Let's see if it wants to break here. We don't want to see this start to fall, fade and fall. I do like KAVL. Come on, let's see this start to break. I know you want to. All right, let's see this. RDBX halted. Oh my gosh, RDBX halted to the upside. What in the world? I was trading that, but I thought GOVX would have been a better play. I guess not. We are forming a pennant here. Let's see it start to flip bullish. Break 117, come down, and then take out those liquidator, and then yeah, now have a nice strong close. Nice strong close to GOVX. No, that's not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see at all. Here's some volume. Here's some volume. Volume starting to step in. Let's see it start to reverse here. Let's see it start to break in reverse over 126. There's a lot of buying, but it's still selling. Or not, excuse me. More volume, but it is more selling. Sellers are still in control. Man. Excuse me. The more screens, the more money. All right. See some volume start to step in. Oh, that was a gap up. Minute 119, that was a little premature. A little premature, but I only went in with half my position. Yeah, very premature, pretty early, but I'm also right now I'm risking around 5 cents. Looking to buy another. Looking to buy more here. Looking to buy more on this. We have 9 seconds left on this candle. I want to see a nice strong close. Nice good close. Nice quick pullback. And then I'm going to scale in with the rest. There's 120. I like GOVX for the possible squeeze over 126. If we squeeze over 126, I think I'm just going to... Yeah, if we squeeze over 126, I'm going to take... I don't know if I want to take half right away, or I'll just play it patiently here. I think I'm going to take definitely a third right away. If it does break and start to squeeze, I'm starting to take some heat. Nice double bottom here. I want to see, this is very light volume, want this to continue, and I want to see this kind of squeeze and break over 126, break over 126, room up to 128, over 128, room to 152. I do like that price action. Buyers are now in control possibly. I'm gonna go ahead and scale in there. I have 300 shares here. Oh nope, it looks like it's going up though. So I have 129, 300 shares. Come on, I know you want to squeeze. We're not getting that action. There's the action. Squeeze over 126 or 125. I know you want to. We're not getting it. I'm going to start selling some. There's 50 cents. Sold some there. Let's see this squeeze. I have 250 shares left. Let's see that squeeze over that area. Once it breaks over that area, I'm looking to sell the rest of my position or some of my position. Break over 125. I know you want to see the squeeze. We're not seeing that squeeze. Unfortunate, but let's see this break. Let's see this break. Nice double top. I have 250 shares left. 250 shares left. With 30 seconds left on this candle, very light volume on this candle. I want to see this next candle squeeze over 125. We might not see it though. We might not see it. So anything can happen. There's the next squeeze. There it is. Let's see. Now the buying pressure starting to come in. Let's see that snappy price action to the upside. Let's see that snappy price action to the upside. We have 55 seconds left on this candle. Once this candle, once we start breaking over 123, my stop is going at break even. My stop is going at break even once we break over 123. I want to see this start to move. Yep, come on. You need to start pushing up now. If you don't start pushing up now, I'm going to look to start selling some of my position. Let's see this start to squeeze. We're not seeing that action. There it is. See it over 123. Over 123, my stop is going to break even. I'm gonna go ahead and sell another 50 there. I have 200 shares left. Start to break it right here. Break. Just gonna let this breathe. My stop's at break even. If it stops me out, I didn't want to be in the trade anyways. I'm not going to lose money on this trade. I want this to continue. We aren't getting that spiking action. We aren't getting that volume. We have to see that volume start to come in now, but we aren't seeing that. Break over 125. We have some sellers. Let's see these guys start getting taken out, and we are going to get taken out, and we're most likely going to we're done. Probably going to get stopped out, and it's probably going to rip to the upside. So I'm actually going to move it one down. I'll move it one down just to give it a little bit, that much extra of room. Move it one. I'm at 118. Once we start seeing this squeeze, 200 shares left. And it looks like we are about to crack and call it a day on GOVX. I'll let this play out. If we break over 123, if we break up to 123, my stop is going. There is the break down. There it is. I got foiled. 119 or 118. But it looks like we are going to continue to rip. We are forming a pennant now. So, I mean, we possibly could still be ripping up to the upside. GOVX, I actually lost money on that trade. Unfortunate. But we are also looking at, RDBX and or SIGA. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to capitalize and catch that big move. Wasn't able to catch the actual trade of the day. The market has been slow. Wasn't really able to get an edge on it, but still able to come out profitable with around $20. So I think anything can still happen. Here's SIGA starting to move up. GOVX is starting to move up. SIGA starting to get up. GOVX, what's going on here? Do you think we're gonna GOVX? There's GOVX. It's gonna start to move. What's going on with the SPY? Very choppy on the SPY, but I do think we're going to see it drop. See it start to fade and fall here. I'm going to go ahead and scale in with another. Minute 125. Let's see this start to. Oh, it's starting to reverse. Let's see this start to wash out towards 394.85. That's our goal. We don't want to see any volume come in on this candle. There it is. There it is. Continue to drop. There's 25. Here it is. There's 142. 143. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll take that. I will take that all day. Woo! There it is, guys. $44 on the SPY. Nice some puts. And I think I sold just a little bit too early, but you know, it's okay. It's fine. I'm glad I was able to get the catch. Oh man, those puts are still printing. Those puts are still printing. Oh my goodness. Get it. Oh, hey, what's up, Reese? Yes, sir. What's up? What's up? Thank you for stopping in. All right, guys, let's see this pull back up to VWAP, and I'm going to be looking to buy some more puts. I think we're going to see the SPY come down to around 392.75. I'm glad I sold there because what a massive pump. I'm glad I sold at the exact bottom because we would have been down back at break even. I was able to capitalize on it, and there we go. So, all right, guys, what an amazing trade on the SPY. I like that. We're probably going to get a strong close here on the 1 minute. We're now above, so let's go ahead and actually switch our biases now. I do think we're going to be more bullish now, so let's go ahead and get some calls going in. Let's get some calls. I do like that a lot. That long lower wick, really strong volume on the 1 minute, strong volume on the 5 minute. I do think we're going to see this up higher, possibly. So let's see what happens here. I mean, very light volume. Very light volume. I'm going to go and buy here. 165. That was a little bit early, but damn. I'm already up. Let's see it. Come on, push up. I'm in at 165. Let's see this start to push. Now, if we see some more action, I'm going to jump in with more. I'm in at 165. I think we have around $1 to the upside. Not liking that, but let's see. We have around a minute left on this 5 minute candle. And we have nice decrease. I want to see decreasing volume on this candle and then a nice explosive move over this trend line here. So again, I'm just playing it patiently. Just playing it patient. Let's see a nice squeeze above VWAP. We could have just get rejected. This is very light volume. So let's see a nice move higher. Let's see it start to flip bullish. Let's see it. So give it some sec. There's some bullish action. We should start to see some snappy action to the upside. If we don't start seeing that snappy action to the upside, I'm going to be looking to just scale out of this play. We have 30 seconds left on this 1 minute candle and 30 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. Let's see what happens. I do think we're going to see this continue to squeeze. Let's see this candle start to squeeze back up and get above VWAP. Get a nice strong close here. If we can get a nice strong close, that would be beautiful. We have 10 seconds left on this candle. There it is. Let's see some bullish action here. Very decreasing volume. I'm at 161 now. 161 now. There it is. Let's see a nice move over VWAP. I have two contracts here. Let's see this nice squeeze. 261. I'm not really seeing that volume. If we don't close above VWAP on this candle, I'm going to cut it. There it is. 174, 180. Up 20 bucks per contract. Let's see this continue. I like the volume. We need to see the volume start to come in now. We need the volume to come in now. I'm gonna go and sell one of my contracts just to manage my risk. All right, let's see this move. Minute 157. Let's see this squeeze. This thing doesn't start to squeeze. This thing, if the SPY doesn't start to move right here on this candle, I'm gonna cut this. There it is. I'm cutting. I'm out. 165 sold. All right, up 174 on the day. Or not 174. I'm up $74 so far on the day. Let's see what we can do here. We have plenty of capital left, and look at that false move there. Look at that false move. And there it is. I'm glad I was able to get out of that. Oh man, I hope that wasn't so loud. I hope that wasn't too loud. 74.20. Okay, guys, I'm up 74.27 already, guys. Today, I think I might call it. I think I might call it a day and just kind of, you know, play it safe. I've already been killing it this month. This month has been my best month of trading ever, and it's coming on just about. August 1st was my first ever. August 1st of last year was my first time ever trading real money, real capital. And this is what I'm looking like. I was up 76. That's what it was. 74.27. 74.27. And boom, there it is. Almost $600 this month. They're around 20% with a 92% win rate, guys. We have absolutely been killing it this month. In this account, we've won up 20% in the last 7 weeks, not including the first month of June, the first week of June. I'm up 30%. So that what an amazing. My month of July is absolutely absurd, guys. I love it. I love it. Man, guys, we've been absolutely killing it. Let's see. There's those bearish. There's those bears coming in. There's those bears. Ooh. All right, I want the SPY to go up. So let's see if it goes up. Let's see. Let's see. Very light volume on the move. Actually, you know what? I'm done trading today. I'm going to keep my profits. Google Drive, trade log. All right, I'm done. Thank you so much for stopping in. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Again, I'm closing off today's session with $74.27 in profit. Again, making $74 in around 2 hours of work. I mean, I didn't really go live until 9:15, so around an hour. I'll take around $70 an hour. So thank you guys so much for stopping. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, and peace.